We do cheap cars.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now, do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime, no we ain't stopping for the sunrise, and we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I could feel like this, make me feel like this.
Okay guys, we're gonna do the normal thing today. Today we're gonna get parts for the Mitsubishi Mirage. We gotta go get a price on gasket material, piston rings, all that other stuff, and whatever it takes to complete this engine, because the block is good, the block is ready, and I'll get you guys a video of that shortly to see the result of the block, okay? Okay, this is the usual Banawi excursion. We're gonna go and get our parts over here. And last time I went here, I had a crappy camera. This time the camera is much better. I cannot get any better than this camera. This is the bomb. So let me show you some. Those guys you see on the right of me, they like to sell cheap tint, you know what I mean, and they it's really cheap tint. So here's Dub Unlimited. They got a lot of good rims and wheels over here, and there are also some other places over there called Lexani. That's where a lot of people with too much money on their hand get their wheels right there. And there's a lot of expensive wheels you can buy there. Okay. All these people that you're seeing that are like waving their hand to me, what they're doing, they're working for people that's deep inside of the streets, and those businesses can't very well have access to the main road, which is prime property out here. So they send like an agent, okay, and they go out to the middle of the road here, this main road, and they grab customers. And you see the street down there, that's where a lot of them are at. And there's a lot more to Banawi than this main road here, okay? So you can see there's a main road here and a main road there, okay? Oh, and I get my parts up there at this see that blue sign that says Fordland? Yeah, right in that area. So basically right in this area here. My glass guy's right there too. So I come here about 2 times a week, 1 to 2 times a week. I feel like I have like movie star status because they all practically like yelling when they see me. Hey, how you doing? Long time no see. I go, oh, it's hasn't been that long, right? So anyway, we're gonna go here and get some prices for the parts for the Mitsubishi engine so I can get that thing together. And once it's done, then we can get it ready to be installed on the car. The car really doesn't have a lot of issues. I think the body work is mostly good. I'm gonna try and buff it to see how it comes out. But other than that, you know, I mean, I think it's cool. So I really need to make a left here, but fucking back into it. I think I can. Yeah, I can. Okay, so we're gonna go park over here. Marami pang piyesa. This time. Ito.
Bearing saan?
Oh, may iba pang klaseng vlogger. Ako, auto vlogger.
Anong bearing yan?
Sila
Main?
yung mga putang inang travel vlogger. Marami pa ganun.
Main bearing?
Huh?
Main bearing?
You gotta speak that Tagalog over here in Banawi. If you don't speak the local language, they don't know what the fuck you're saying. Diba, tol?
Yes.
Hindi ka marunong mag-Tagalog.
Wala.
Okay, we're gonna get us a burger over here in Burger King. Normally when I'm on the road, I eat something that's like semi-healthy, I guess. I guess a hamburger with vegetables on it is semi-healthy. It's not really healthy, but or I usually like to go to a little place on the side of the road where you can get an entire meal for only like 69 cents for everything, really, with a drink. So that's what I like to do. So right now, this happens to be in the area, and I got quite a ways to drive today and a ways to go. So basically it. So this is Burger King, and you know, we're getting stuff to eat here. I'm just gonna get a burger. I have my own drink. Oh, so we got a juicy Whopper. Isn't that awesome? I love it, and I love eating while vlogging, while shifting a manual transmission. Watch this. Oh, that's not fun. Anyway, I'll pull it off. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing and down my gut, and we'll continue this vlog today, okay? All right, guys, we're gonna see how this thing looks and see which part of it is leaking or which cylinder is leaking. Oh shoot, lo and behold, this one, cylinder number 3. The rest, they're leaking a little bit, but this one's leaking the most. So we're gonna do a trick to it, and we're gonna see if you know, if this thing is leaking after I do my little trick. First, we're gonna get all this stuff out, and then what I'm gonna do is we're gonna find out where it's leaking out of when we flip the head back over. If it's leaking out of the spark plug hole, which is down here, then we know it's from the spark plug itself, and we don't have to do anything more. It's done. If it's not leaking from the spark plug hole, then I'm thinking it's a valve, and we have to resurface these valves again. All right. So first, let's take all this fluid out. I don't know why this is always so tight. Just hit it, you know. Okay. And now we're gonna smack the valve stem itself right here. I don't know if you can see it. We're gonna smack the valve stem right here. Okay. Just use this, a screwdriver with a soft tip, to smack it. Be careful not to pop the valve locks off. Okay, now I'm going to start the pump, and you hook up the valve to it. And now we're going to check. This video is sponsored by Muscle Shirts, the premier online store for everything car related. Please check us out at muscleshirts.store and support us by getting one of our awesome products. We have a 15% discount for you at the checkout. Link in the description. Guys, now I'm going to be putting this here, and we're going to check for leaks. Okay. There you go. So you got a leak in this exhaust valve, that's got to come out. Okay, now we'll check the intake. Intake looks good. No leaks there. And now we're going to go to cylinder number 2. Oh, very bad. That's totally unusable. Both exhaust valves. Intake's good. Okay, cylinder number 3 now. So all the exhaust valves except one of them need to be relapped.